I got a call at about midnight. Mbundi ku list y'abagenda okulaba ki muzeeyi. Who am I? Nze Salvador? What have I done to be invited by the head of state? Kitegeera, I was so honored. Era nengenda ne mu meeting. We had a very wonderful conversation for about 4 hours. Ngambuuza nakikola ntya, natambuza ntya ensi. Namugamba nze, all I need in my life is peace and infrastructure. Nsobola okutambula mu kifo all around Uganda, and I do my comedy. To be able to do my comedy without anyone interfering with my life. Kitegeera, and he was shocked that sazemu njagala on supporting onkolere kino onkolere kiri. No, I'm not a beggar. That's one thing people should understand. I have never begged for anything. I have worked so hard. I think I'm one of the artists with the highest number of endorsements from corporate companies. Why? Because they see the value in me. Sente zange zisinga sizifuna mbuno nkoze show wali ku Kingdom Kampala. No, most of my money comes from endorsements. If I tell you the companies which are behind my brand, Salvador, you'll be amazed. I want you to understand one thing. I have known Bobby Wine since 2002 as a friend when I was still in secondary school. So our relationship, I met them the same time I met Bebe Cool, because Bali Bachali. I was the only student that they would move in their car. Because nali nsoma. Ngabagala nyo stories zechi, zesomero ngamanyumiza nyo story. So let people not start saying that I did Charenga for political reasons, because it was not a political song. It was a song about love. And he called me personally. You see, when you call me, I come. The same way the president called me, I came. Why didn't people... Why didn't people criticize me when I went for? Why didn't the NRM guys criticize me when I went to do the Charenga video? Obusungu babuteka on the wrong people. No, the issue is not... We don't have to like each other to support each other. Kitegeera. Omukwano guyinza okuba nga teguliiwo. That means we cannot... That doesn't mean that we can't work together. Ne omukwano gwa nkukubire nkubuze how are you chechiriwo tegukyaliwo. Yeah, but when it's business, it's business. Kyekyo kye twagala okulaga ekyenjawulo kufe n'abayimbi. Abayimbi bo benyigira buli kimu benyigira throughout 100%. Fe kyaffe oba sina kukubira oba kugamba hayi wasuza otya. No, I don't have to. But when you call me nogamba Salvador njagala obere ku show yange nzija. When kugamba Mwanji njagala obere ku show yange nzija.